Welcome to FoodyTongs. Ready to turn your kitchen passion into a YouTube sensation? It's easier than you think. Today, I'm sharing the exact steps I took to build my food channel from scratch. No fancy equipment or culinary school degree required. Essential kitchen tools and camera gear. Before we start cooking, let's gather the essentials. For the kitchen, you'll need a chef's knife, a cutting board, pots, pans, and baking sheets. Don't forget mixing bowls, measuring cups and spoons, and some basic utensils like a spatula, whisk, and tongs. And of course, your favorite cooking gadgets are optional but can be handy. Now, for the camera gear, a smartphone, most modern ones are great, or a DSLR or mirrorless camera will do the trick. You'll also need a tripod or a stable surface to keep your shot steady. Natural lighting is your friend, so make good use of it. And if you can, a simple microphone can really improve your sound quality. Content planning, recipes and schedule. Content is king. Here's how to plan. Start with 6 to 12 recipes for your first 6 months. Choose dishes you love and that are visually appealing. Consider seasonal recipes to keep things fresh. Variety is key, so include sweet, savory, main courses, and snacks. For your schedule, aim for 1 to 2 videos per week to start. Be consistent. Create a filming and editing schedule to stay organized. Batch cooking or filming can save you a lot of time. Cook, film, edit, repeat. Alright, now let's dive into the production process. First up, cook. Follow your recipe, but make sure to practice beforehand. When it comes to filming, use multiple angles, overhead, close-up, and process shots. Good lighting and sound are absolutely crucial. Now, for editing, keep your videos between 5 to 10 minutes long, especially if you're just starting out. Tell a story with your editing, add music and text overlays for ingredients and steps. And remember, there are many free editing software options out there. Promotion and getting monetized. Time to get your video seen. Promotion is key. Share on social media, food groups, and forums. Engage with other food channels, comment and collaborate. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags for search. For monetization, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. You'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Other income streams include sponsorships, product reviews, affiliate marketing, and even your own products. Keep cooking. Keep creating. Remember, it takes time and dedication to grow. Don't get discouraged. Interact with your audience. Respond to comments. Keep learning and improving your cooking and filming skills. And most importantly, have fun. Your passion will shine through. Thanks for watching. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more foodie content. Now go out there and create the food channel of your dreams.